talk regarding training needs analysis using multiple regression model. I am using multiple regression to talk about training needs because there are a lot of variables which are involved in understanding and quantifying the correct training needs, and for that we have to make a model. The reason for using a model for training needs analysis is that it draws a correct picture of the organizational training needs. For example, suppose there is one organization E and it wants to go for a training program, so it has to decide that what are its objectives, and as per those objectives what has been the past performance. Suppose organization A has the following objectives. One, better participation. Of people. Second objective is better collaboration at work by people. Third objective, the collaboration at work gives constructive synergy for effective decisions and procedures adopted. You see that I am first of all talking of the participation of people. Participation is not just physical, but also at a mental which includes the knowledge, skills, and above all this willingness to share those skills and knowledge factors. So this participation is a complex term. This is a complex term. Since participation is a complex term, this calls for a multiple regression of the variables and the participants and the variables and the factors involved in such a study. Training is a complex topic, and it is purely quantifiable. It is purely quantifiable. which means that in training we can use quantities to quantify the magnitude of development and the progress of development. Please try to focus on the words I am using. The magnitude of development and the progress of that magnitude of development. So you can see that why we are using multiple regression technique, which is the estimate of this is the estimate of the variable, this is the intercept, and these are the variables x1, x2, and these are the slope of those variables. Each one is a partial regression coefficient. These are the coefficients, and these are the variables of those coefficients. And this can extend to so on to n number of partial regression coefficients based on the n number of variables we are incorporating in the study. So suppose this organization has the following three objectives, as I am marking here, which are the better participation of people other than physical, mental level, which includes their knowledge, skills, and above all their willingness to share these skills and knowledge factors. So this is an important aspect of the participation criteria, that people are there in a work atmosphere, but there is some kind of a hesitation to share their knowledge levels, their experience and skills, because of several such factors which may be beyond the scope of a training program. So how do you get the better collaboration at work by people? How you get the collaboration of people based on their participation. So this one is connected with participation, and from collaboration how you get the constructive, effective decision making. So from collaboration we are getting into effective decisions that have long range impact. And if you have a long range impact, definitely it can't happen without the protocol or procedures adopted. So a training program will involve so many things at hand and so much of understanding that a model like this one will be the best to estimate the different variables involved in a training program. And there are certain aspects which are involved in a multiple regression model.